Welcome back to Neighborhood Duelist. In today's video, we are going to be opening an entire display of Battles of Legend Chapter 1. Before we decide to start opening up these boxes, I do have a giveaway. I will be giving away one 2-player starter set. Comes with 2 playable decks, 1 comic book dueling guide, and of course it comes with everybody's favorite XYZ monster, Divine Arsenal Azu Sky Thunder. To win that, all you gotta do is like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite pull is from the video. Without further ado, let's get started. I actually kind of like the design of these books here, these boxes here. I'm definitely on the search for the alternate art number 39 Utopia. I at first thought that was going to be one of the promos that you get in the box, but oh well. There's 8 boxes here. I'm sure I'll pull at least one. If not, then I'm just going to have to go and do more. I guess there's 2 packs, 1 dice, and 1 promo card. See if I can get this out without revealing the promo. Let's get the dice out and let's see what the first one is. Purple dice, and it is Cyber Dragon. I like that. Maybe I can get a couple of those. Set the promo off to the side. We'll reveal that last. There's 18 cards in a pack and 3 ultras. We'll start off with Vision Hero Poisoner, High Speedroid Kite Drake, Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Elemental Hero Escarado, Vision Hero Minimum Ray, Raid Raptor Satellite Cannon Falcon, and first ultra is Elemental Hero Stratos Alternate Art. I like that. I'll set that up to the side. Twilight Ninja Jogan, Fossil Warrior Skullbone, a Galaxy Soldier. Then we have ourselves Ogroff the Relentless and Flying Elephant. Shout out to Pegasus. Vision Hero Gravito, A Hero Lives, number 84 Pain Gainer, Elemental Hero Gaia, TG Metal Skeleton, and Born from Draconis. Alright, not a bad first pack right there. And our promo is... Oh, the promo is Elemental Hero Stratos. So that's a twofer right there. Oops, my bad everybody. I accidentally looked at the promo before my second pack. Let's go back into this. Destiny Hero Denier, Altergeist Manifestation, Miracle Contact, Junk Archer, Fossil Dragons Skullgios, Vision Hero Trinity, Sage with Eyes of Blue. For your Blue Eyes players, I think this is the only Blue Eyes support card that got reprinted. Vision Hero Adoration, Denko Sika, or Seka, or however you pronounce it, Powered Crawler, Chaos Emperor Dragon of Armageddon. That was a very much well-wanted reprint. And then another Elemental Hero Stratos. TG Gear Zombie. Destiny Hero Duxtopia. Vision Release. The Phantom Knights of Silent Roots. And the Kaiju Files. Oh, my bad. Elemental Hero Sunrise at the very back. A lot of Elemental Heroes got reprinted in this set. Not going to complain about that at all, actually. Alright, box 1 done. Box 2, here I come. And for you who watched my earlier videos, I told you I'd finally figure out a different way to open these packs up instead of using my card key. Okay, this is what we're looking for. And I just spoiled it for myself. But I'm not going to complain. Blackluster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. That's not bad. And the dice is Big Eye. Let's get into another pack. Please, Utopia. Fossil Dragon Skullgear. Gaia Dragon the Thunder Charger. Time Stream. Grand Madre Dielza, Cyber Eltonin, Fusion Destiny, And we have one of the kaijus, the Kamungas, the Sticky String Kaiju for your kaiju players. Number 75, Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. Vision Hero Increase. Vision Fusion. Sky Striker Maneuver Afterburners. That'll come in nice handy for my Sky Striker deck. And then we have a Miracle Rupture. Fossil Fusion. Specimen Inspection. Different Dimension Ground. Steam Synchron. Gingerbread House, and Elemental Hero Neo's Knight. I'm not sure how many of the reprints are from the Crystal Revenge. I don't think they have any Crystal Piece reprints in here at all. Not that they really need it. Crusader of Endymion, Glorious Numbers, Harpy Conductor, Felis Lightsworn Archer, Extra Hero Cross Crusader, Elemental Hero Nova Master, Miracle Rupture again, Raid Raptor Rudder Strix, Chronomaly Tuspa Rocket, Preparation of Rites reprint, Harpy Perfumer, and Boar Sword Dragon. Nice. Definitely like the silver lettering for these new holos. We have Assault Blackwing Sahoya the Rainstorm. Might have to set that up to the side from my Blackwing deck if it has a good effect. Water of Life. Neo Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon. The Phantom Knights of Silent Boots. Elemental Hero Gaia. Raid Raptor Final Fortress Falcon. Alright. That's 2 boxes down, 6 more to go. See if I can't accidentally reveal the promo before the packs. But so far I have messed up on both boxes. Alright. Grab that open here. Flip these upside down. Dump out the dice. And this one is another Big Eye. So now I have 2 for that. Alright. I'm not entirely sure. I might actually try to run Utopia with my other number F-Zero Utopias. Still got a pretty decent effect. Destiny Hero Destroyer. Elemental Hero Chaos Neos. Weatherend Soldier. Felis Lightsworn Archer. Vision Hero Multiply Guy. Raid Raptor Satellite Carrier Falcon. Minerva the Exalted Lightsworn. Some nice reprint right there. Shiny. Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Well, Lightsworn Beast. Another Preparation of Rites. Oh, Yubel. Nice. Another Stratos. So that's... I've already made my play sets. Different Dimension Ground. Into the Void. Blackwing Chris the Crack of Dawn. Born from Draconis. Raid Raptor Final Fortress Falcon. And Elemental Hero Shining Flare Wingman. Let's see. Did I accidentally put that in here? What did I accidentally do with that? Yeah, you are. Sorry, everybody. I was trying to find the holos because I accidentally mixed them with the commons. Back to the pack opening. We have Fossil Dragon Skull Gear. Dark Spell Regeneration. Number 107 Galaxy Eyes Tachyon Dragon. A Black Whirlwind reprint. After I just ordered my playset, all I had to do was wait 1 more week and I could have had them. Grand Module Dielza. Extra Hero Dread Decimator. We have ourselves Yubel Terror Incarnate, Galaxy Soldier, Ray Raptor Rotor Strix, Denko Seka. Oh, alternate art Cyber Dragon. Nice. Definitely like that. And then another Miracle Rupture. And then a Cyber Larva, Fossil Fusion, Solar Recharge, Destiny Hero Dangerous, Twilight Ninja Kagan, and the Kaiju Files. And our promo for this is Dark Arm, the Dragon of Annihilation. I'll definitely have to set that aside. Look at that. Box number 4. Let's see what we can get out of this one. No surprise spoils this time either, I think. Oh, there we go. This time we have another Cyber Dragon. Definitely like the Cyber Dragons. Keep those coming. Alright. Pack number 9, I believe. And this one we are starting off with. Hold on a second here. Let me refocus. Crusader of Endominion. Glorious Numbers. Harpy Conductor. Oh, there we go. Finally fixed itself. Vision Hero Trinity. Ray Raptor Satellite Cannon Falcon. Vision Hero Multiply Guy. And then we have ourselves Radiant, the Multidimensional Kaiju. More Kaijus. Preparation of Rites. Number 75, Bamboozling Gossip Shadow. Kilentosa, Mystical Beast of the Forest. And then another Kaiju. And Evil Swarm Exciting Knight. White Aura Dolphin. Vision Release. And we have Kyoto Waterfront. Number 30, S39 Utopia the Lightning. Elemental Hero Prisma, the first one. And then Lula Lightsworn Princess. I do apologize about my footage. I don't know why it's getting all blurry and why it's running all goofy. Hopefully we can pull through. We have ourselves Hibernation Dragon, Weather and Soldier, an Almirage, Sonic Stun, Vision Hero Minimum Ray, Phallis Lightsworn Archer, Judgment Dragon. I like to see that. Chronomaly Tuspa Rocket, Twilight Ninja Jalgan, White Aura Biomut, another Kaiju, and another Yubel. Number 84, Pain Gainer, Neo Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, Fossil Fusion, the Phantom Knights of Silent Boots, the Phantom Knights of Ancient Cloak, and Spyro Double Helix. And then for this pack, we have Neo's Wise Men. Definitely got to figure out what to do with these promo cards. Also, it appears that I miscounted. I thought that I was on box number 5. This is box number 5. Let's see here. Get the packs out, the promo. This one is the Almirage. Let's see if we can get out of these packs. Vision Hero Poisoner, Fossil Dragon Skull Gear, Gold Moon Coin, Grand Master to Elza, Extra Hero Dread Decimator, Sonic Stun. Oh, Cyber Dragon. There we go. Now I have the alternate art and the regular. We have Bamboozle and Gods of Shadow, Mythical Beast of the Forest, Vision Hero Witch Raider, another Judgment Dragon, and Evil Swarm Excision Knight, Excident Knight, or whatever it's called. Cyber Larva, High Speedroid Rubber Band Shooter, Cyber Emergency, Elemental Hero Gaia, and TG Metal Skeleton, and Born from Draconis. Alright. This would be pack number 10, I believe. High Speedroid Kite Drake, Elemental Hero Honest Neos, Gaia Dragon the Thunder Charger, Elemental Hero Esquardio, Lumina Lightsworn Summoner, Vision Hero Trinity, another alternate art Cyber Dragon, Fossil Warrior Skull Knight, Powder Crawler, Wolf Lightsworn Beast, another Chaos Emperor, the Dragon of Armageddon, and Emergency Call. Nice. Vision Hero Gravito, TG Gear Zombie, Solar Recharge, Steam Synchron, Gingerbread House, and Elemental Hero Neos Knight. And this promo here is going to be... Oh, there we go. That's my favorite kaiju, Gameciel the Sea Turtle Kaiju. Not bad pulls so far. Still looking for the number 39 Utopia, though. Out of 8 boxes, I'm hoping I can at least pull one. Alrighty. Just do that a little bit off camera. These boxes are being a little difficult for me now. And we have another Big Eye. That's 3 dice for that now. I'm just going to skim through them. Vision Hero Poisoner, High Speedroid Kite Drake, Dino Wrestler Pakratos, Grandmaster Elda, Flash Charge Dragon, that's another one I haven't pulled yet. Extra Hero Dread Decimator, Darkness Metal, the Ruler of Dark Steel. Not bad. Vision Fusion, Vision Hero Adoration, another Galaxy Soldier, Yubel Terra Incarnate, and then another Judgment Dragon. That's my playset of Judgment Dragon. Pain Gainer, Draconic Diagram, Blackwing Crystocrack at Dawn, Phantom Knights of the Ancient Cloak, White Moray, and the Kaiju Files. Alright. Almost to the end of the video here. Fossil Dragon Skull Gear, Gaia Dragon the Thunder Charger, Time Stream, Extra Hero Cross Crusader, Fusion Destiny, Lumina Lightsworn Summoner, Gimmick Puppet Nightmare. I know someone who needs some Gimmick Puppet cards. I'll set that up to the side. TG Drillfish, number 27 Dreadnought Dreadnoid, Vision Hero Witch Raider, Extra Hero Wonder Driver, and another Gimmick Puppet Nightmare. Alright, set those both off to the side. Valerfon Mystical Beast of the Forest, Interrupted Kaiju Slumber, Vision Hero Gravito, Elemental Hero Neos Knight, Elemental Hero Neo Sunrise, and Elemental Hero Shine and Flare Wingman. Many Elemental Hero cards in this reprint box set. Alright, that's 6 boxes down, 2 more to go. Still no Utopia. Oh, and we have... Oh, there we go. There's a Big Eye. I was actually looking for that. Alrighty. Box number 7. We have a 4th Big Eye. Battles of Legend pack number, I'd say, 13. High Speedroid Kite Drake. Weatherend Soldier, Harpy Conductor, Dialza, Dread Decimator, Lightsworn Archer, another Minerva the Exalted Lightsworn. Set that up to the side here. Vision Fusion, Twilight Ninja Jogan, Fossil Warrior Skullbone, and yet another Judgment Dragon, and White Aura Whale. Huh. High Speed Void Rubber Band Shooter, Vision Release, Assault Blackwing Sorry Rainstorm, Spiral Double Helix, High Rate Draw, and White Moray. Come on, just one Utopia. That's all I asked for. It's weird seeing one of these sets come out with no Core Cedra Secret Rares or anything like that. This is like very slowed down. Time Stream, Altergeist Manifestation, Denier, Fusion Destiny, Iceborne Summoner, another Black Whirlwind, and another Harpy Perfumer. Another Preparation of Rites, Bamboozling Gods of Shadow, oops, Increase, and Emergency Call with another Minerva the Exalted Lightsworn. Number 84 Pain Gainer, White Aura Dolphin, A Hero Lives, Shining Flare Wingman, Psy-Frame Lord Lambda, and Iron Draw. And then the pack promo is Elemental Hero Absolute Zero. Yeah, they definitely helped out the Elemental Heroes this time. Alright guys, last box. 2 more chances to pull that Utopia. Alright. Oop, gotta keep that covered. I don't want to spoil myself. Alright, empty box. Oh, look at this shiny looking thing. I think that's the Judgment Dragon. That's definitely different. Oh man, out of all those, this is the only one that's like this. I'm gonna have to keep that off to the side. Alright, last 2 packs, last 2 chances. Psy-Frame Driver, Celestial Lightstorm Angel, Glorious Numbers, Trinity, Cannon Falcon, Multiply Guy, another Emergency Call, Lightsworn Warrior, Ninja Jalgan, Skullbone, another Kaiju, and another White Aurora Whale. Another Neo Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, Fossil Fusion, Into the Void, number 39 Utopia the Lightning, Gingerbread House, TG Metal Skeleton. Last pack. 3 more chances, 3 more cards to be possibly just one number 39 Utopia. That's all I'm after. Harpy Conductor, Gold Moon Coin, Dino Wrestler Pankratops, Hand of the Light Sworn, Elemental Hero Nova Master, Black Whirlwind, and then Orgroff the Relentless. Alright, set that off to the side. Mystical Beast of the Forest, Witch Raider, Vision Fusion, another Harpy Perfumer, and another Yubel, the Ultimate Nightmare. Alright, Waterfront, Diagram, Cyber Emergency, Destiny Hero Dangerous, Knight's Fogblade, and the Phantom Knights of the Ancient Cloak. And this is another Big Eye. I guess I won't complain about that. Well, that's it for this video, everybody, and I'm very glad you guys got to join me on this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your favorite card was down below, and I will see you guys next time.